This is Auntie Ann from Auntie Ann Toy Store. Today we're gonna be talking about Disney Fairies Sparkle Ballet Tink. It's Tinkerbell. Kids, make sure that you subscribe in Auntie Ann Toy Store and like us on Facebook. Sparkle Ballet Tink. Did you know that storytelling fairies are the unofficial historians of Pixie Hollow, and it's a Pixie fun fact. Let us all open the box. Look at Tinkerbell and her pretty wings. Her green pretty wings. Oh, look at that. Let's turn this down and make her stand up. Oh, look at her with her pretty hair and pretty shoes. Matches her shoes. And she's doing a ballet. She's going to the ballet class with her pretty skirt. Look at how pretty she is. Gorgeous Tinkerbell. Look at Tinkerbell. She can wave her hand. Hello everybody. I'm off to go to my ballet class. I don't know if I'm going to go and flip my wings or I'm just gonna walk with my friends. I better go look for them. Okay kids, this is Auntie Ann from Auntie Ann Toy Store. Don't forget to subscribe and like us on Facebook.